gotta throw it.
I'm not that good. It's gonna drop.
Yep. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's actually Mac. Yo.
We will put our rating underneath our respective initial. I give that Akami a 9.0. It was delicious.
Go next. 9.3. That shit was so good. I haven't had a better one than that.
I'm not gonna lie, that's a 9.5 for me.
What?
I love it.
This is like, these are really
It
good
might be a
ratings.
10.
Agent, your rating?